Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an EA to your MetaTrader 5 chart. Without any further ado, let's get started. An EA, or Expert Advisor, is a tool that can help automate parts of your trading strategy, depending on how it has been programmed. First, open your MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Make sure the platform is fully loaded and that you are on the chart where you want to use the EA. Once the application launches and you can see your main trading dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the Navigator panel. This is where all your tools, indicators, and expert advisors are organized for easy access. If you don't see the Navigator panel on the left side, don't worry. Simply look at the top of your screen and click on View from the main menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click on Navigator. This will make the Navigator panel visible on the left side of your screen, giving you access to all the features you need. Now, within the Navigator panel, look for the Expert Advisor section and click on it to expand it. This section houses all the automated trading tools available in your MetaTrader 5 platform. You'll notice several folders appear, such as Advisors, Examples, and Free Robots. Each folder contains different expert advisors that you can use for automated trading. These may include built-in examples, downloaded robots, or custom EA files you have added to the platform. Simply click on the folder that contains your EA. For example, if your expert advisor is stored in the Advisors folder, go ahead and click on that folder to open it. This will display all the EAs you have saved in that particular location. Next, find your specific EA from the list. Once you've located it, click on it and drag it directly onto your chart. This action will immediately open a new window where you can configure the settings for your expert advisor before it starts running. In this settings window, click on the Common tab at the top to access the general settings. Here, you'll see an important option that you need to enable. Look for the checkbox labeled Allow Algo Trading and make sure to check it. This setting is crucial because it gives your expert advisor permission to execute trades automatically on your behalf. Without this enabled, the EA won't be able to function properly. Also, make sure algo trading is enabled from the main MetaTrader 5 toolbar, because both settings are important for automation. After that, click on the Input tab to move to the Input Parameters section. This is where you can customize how your EA operates by editing various variables and values. Each expert advisor has different parameters you can adjust, such as lot sizes, stop-loss levels, or trading hours. Take a moment to review these settings and modify them according to your trading strategy and preferences. For example, you may want to reduce the lot size if you are testing the EA, or adjust the trading hours if you only want it to work during certain market sessions. Once you've finished adjusting all the parameters to your liking, click OK to confirm your settings and activate the Expert Advisor on your chart. And that's it! You've successfully added an EA to your MetaTrader 5 chart, and it's now ready to automate your trading strategy. You should now see the EA attached to the chart, which means it is ready to run based on the settings you selected. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.